We are starting off Scorpio season. We're coming in hot. What's up, OG Glam Gang? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute. I'm Jayla Koriyan. If you're new, today we're going to do an outfit of the day. I picked out a really cute outfit, so I thought we would style her up. And I just really wanted to get really glam, and I thought you guys would be so into that. We haven't been able to talk about fashion and beauty in so long, so I thought I would pop back over here with an outfit of the day. So first, my go-to hairstyle for years has been middle part long with flexi rods. So I have my flexi rods in right now. These are perfect for the perfect, like, easy hairstyle. I go to sleep in them, I wake up, and my hair is perfect. So let me go ahead and take these out. These are like a must-have. I'm gonna have the link in my description. Must-have. I can't live without these. Look at my curls, so beautiful today. I really just want to go for a super glam, super fun, girly look. And it is around Halloween time. I don't have a Halloween costume, but you know, I've just been telling people because I've been wearing a lot of pink, like I'm Barbie. So I'm dressing up as Barbie this year, but the look that I picked out is so glam. I was like, girl, like this is more than like a Halloween costume, girl. Like you are Barbie edition outfit. I don't know, y'all. Ooh, look, only half of them are out. I got super long, 30 inches of hair. I can't wait. Hold on, y'all. Hold on, y'all. Let's see the hair. Hair reveal, hair reveal. Okay. Hair reveal, hair reveal. Oh my God, these curls. Okay. We are starting off Scorpio season. We're coming in hot. We're coming in hot to Scorpio season. So my birthday is on 11/11 and I'm so excited. I'm turning 28. I cannot believe it, but I'm just super excited for my birthday this year. I'm not doing anything special. I'm just excited to celebrate another year and just be glam and fabulous. Honestly, I'm truly blessed and I'm just so thankful. So, you guys, the hair. Oh my God. Okay, y'all see this lingerie set of the day. Super cute. Look at my hair. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Let me show you guys in the back. Hold on, y'all. Let's see what's going on. Does it look good back there? You guys, my hair smells so good as well. This is my birthday hair. Maybe you guys are seeing the birthday hair first. I got my hair from Hot Hair ATL, and they have a location here in Atlanta, and they sell raw hair extensions. I love raw hair extensions because I always am trying to achieve this beautiful blonde color that I'm obsessed with. Blonde has had me in a chokehold for probably about 2 years now, and I've been a blondie. So this is my hair, 30 inches of beautifulness. So the install that I have a hybrid sew-in where I have bundles in the back and I have tape-ins right at my perimeter, so my long hair blends so seamlessly with my hair. And I get my hair done at Foreign Styles Salon here in Atlanta as well. You guys, they do some hair. They do extensions, colors, tape-ins, micro links. I love. Okay, our makeup is also done, so let's go ahead and jump into this outfit. I told you guys that I'm loving pink, so I wanted to wear a super glam outfit, and I picked it out right here. Now, this skirt I got from one of my vendors. If you didn't know, I am a boutique owner, and I do buy for my own boutique. So this is one of the skirts for my vendors. And honestly guys, if you've ever had a dream of having your own boutique, selling clothes, or even just having your own online store, I do have an ebook out of vendors and resources for you to launch your own store. So I'm gonna have that in the description box as well, okay? I have the resources for you, girl. Holiday time is coming up, so if you have anybody in your family, a cousin, a friend, somebody that you care about that you know wants to get into digital sales, an online store, selling merchandise, selling clothing, definitely get this for them and send it to them. Be a resource to them. I have over 100 vendors of cute pieces. So this is one of the cute pieces that I found. Let me go ahead and put her on. She is so freaking cute, like so cute. I love pairing the pieces that I get from my boutique with other places. So this blazer is Zara. So what I was thinking with this was really to just put the blazer on. I didn't actually want to wear a top underneath the blazer, I don't think, for sure. I wanted to like button it up and it just be like almost like a fun dress, but I was gonna take this off. So let me go ahead and take this off so you guys can see. And I already, oh, or do we want to pop a color? Now if this was do I have a pink bra? I think I do. Hold on, you guys. All right guys, I think I'm gonna go with no bra on the inside because this is just giving so much feather that I think we need to show some skin like that. Okay, so I had a few different shoe options that I wanted to pick from. Now let's see, the first pair look like this. Love them. Oh, can you see? Okay. The first pair look like this and I love them. So fun. Let me show you how they look on. Shoes just wrap up the ankle like this. Let's pull the feathers down inside. Boom, 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 boom. Where's the bag that I was thinking about? Okay, what I was thinking was this silver bag like this. I love her. I got her from Lily's Closet. If I want to wear silver accessories, I can just wear this silver bag. So this is the shoe. She's classy, girly. Ooh, a little pop. Let me get some jewelry. Now for jewelry, I was thinking about these two bracelets and these earrings right here. Thought they would be super cute. So let's go ahead and put these on. Ooh, she's pretty, she's pink, she's super glam. And I absolutely love her. I love this look. All right, so this is one way we can style her up. Just super glam, super fun. Lots of feathers, lots of fun. Now, if we switch the shoe option, I do have an edgy side of me. And I bought these pink boots that I freaking love. And we could edge her up, put on a boot, and this is our look for sure. Now, it is another way I want to see about styling this. I do have these two Gucci belts. I have this other thing of wanting to turn a look into a black look. You can do that with the belt, you can do that with the shoe, you can do that with the bag. I'm going to try to do it with the belt. Let's see which one we're going to wear. Do we want the jumbo? I don't get to wear her as often anymore. Ooh. I don't get to wear her as often anymore. I saw her in my closet. I wanted to pull her out. The big GG. GG baby. The big GG. And then I did get this bag. Are we adding black into this enough? I could put something in this bag. What do you feel about her? Big GG baby. We could always put a black heel with her. What do you feel about this black one? Hold on, I do have one more bag that could go. So this is such a Barbie girl outfit. I feel like the only place I'll feel comfortable wearing this to is for Halloween because I just feel like it's so Barbie, you know. I paired it with this leather black. Since I brought in the black, I did pair this outfit with a black leather bag from Lily's Closet just to add some black into the look. I could also put back on the heels, or I could try another heel. Let me see, hold on. I don't know how this will look. I just feel like, woo, we're pinked out at this point. Let's see. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. I would have to do a black heel or a black boot, but let me see what a black boot would do, because this is an absolute no. So I feel like what the black boot does is make it more nighttime. And yeah, I could definitely step out looking super glam and super pink. If the dress code was like pink, I would be on par.